What is my favorite color? What is it? Purple! Purple! Now, you tell me what your favorite color is. Before you do that, you know we have a song. Let's sing our song, and then you can tell me your favorite color. We'll start with mine. It goes like this. My favorite color is purple, purple, purple. My favorite color is purple, purple, purple. My favorite color is purple, purple, purple. Now tell me, what is yours? Is it blue? Is it yellow? Is it black? Is it red? Is it orange? Is it purple? Is it green? Is it brown? Is it pink? All the colors of the rainbow, tell me which one, pretty please. Your favorite color is, okay, your favorite color is, wow, your favorite color is, thank you for sharing with me. I want to hear it again. Your favorite color is, yeah, your favorite color is, oh, wow, your favorite color is, thank you for sharing with me. Thank you. Can you see the letter K? What is that? It's a kitten. K is for kitten. Now, are you ready to color the letter K? What color should we use? Let me see. We will be using the brown colored pencil, not the purple one. We will use the brown colored pencil. Are you ready to color the letter K? Let's do it. If you have your flashcard, you can pause this video and color the letter K, and then you can play it to see the outcome. Are you ready? Let's take it away. But wait, if you don't have your flashcard, that's okay. Watch me color the letter K brown. Okay, let's do it. Look, our letter K is brown. K is for kitten. Do you like cats? Do you like kittens? Cats are bigger than kittens. A kitten is a baby cat. I hope you enjoyed coloring with me. I guess I'll see you next time. See ya!